What's the meaning of communicant? Communicant. Communicant.
Communicant. Communicant. The word communicant refers to a person who participates in a religious rite, particularly the sharing of bread and wine in a Christian sacrament. The term can also mean someone who regularly attends or belongs to a particular church or religious community. In essence, a communicant is someone who actively engages with religious practices and beliefs. This type of participation can provide individuals with a sense of spiritual connection and community, and can deepen their understanding and commitment to their faith.